Momentum is building up and Stbl isn't stopping as well. This is because at the moment, Stbl is up by around 20% within just 24 hours, and in the matter of 30 days this crypto project has done over 1,200%. Time and time, Stbl has proven to be one of the best cryptocurrencies we have in the market, and this got investors asking when is Binance going to list the project on its exchange. Well, we will be discussing about if this is going to happen and when. But before getting into the discussion, you can help this page growth by hitting the follow up and subscribe button. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. When it comes to crypto, one of the most exciting questions investors ask is which project is going to be listed on Binance next. A Binance listing often changes everything for a project, bringing massive exposure, liquidity, and trading volume. Right now, one name that's starting to attract attention is Stbl, and many people are asking the big question. Is Stbl going to get listed on Binance Exchange? Stbl is not just another stablecoin project. It's an RWA-backed stablecoin protocol with something unique at its core, a yield-splitting mechanism. What this means is that when users deposit high-quality real-world assets such as tokenized treasuries or money market funds, they receive a stablecoin called USST. But instead of giving up the yield from those assets, they retain a separate yield claim. This allows people to unlock and reuse their principal without losing the returns on it. In practice, that means you can spend or deploy USST just like USDT or USDC, while your original assets continue to generate yield in the background. It's like having your money work for you in two places at once. Binance has already shown interest in RWA-based and DeFi-focused projects, and Stbl's presence within the BNB ecosystem only strengthens its chances. Binance has a history of favoring projects that boost activity on its own chain, and Stbl's model aligns perfectly with that strategy. On top of that, the project has been gaining recognition for its strong fundamentals, utility, and potential to become one of the leading stablecoin protocols in the market. Many investors believe that if Stbl continues to build momentum, a Binance listing by Q4 is entirely possible. And if that happens, the impact could be huge. A Binance listing would bring more liquidity, more trading activity, and more global attention to the project. It would also give both retail and institutional players the confidence to adopt Stbl on a much larger scale. So, is Stbl going to get listed on Binance Exchange? There is no official confirmation yet, but when you look at its unique RWA-backed design, its yield-splitting mechanism, and its alignment with the direction Binance is heading, the chances are looking stronger every day. A listing could mark the start of a whole new chapter for Stbl, turning it from a promising project into one of the most recognized names in the stablecoin space. Now let's dive deep into the full details of Stbl. Stbl Crypto is a decentralized, non-custodial stablecoin platform that mixes yield, transparency, and real-world asset RWA backing. It lets users mint stablecoins like USST and YLD without staking tokens or locking up capital. The backing assets are regulated, yield-bearing instruments such as treasury bills and fixed-income securities. USST will be available through the Stbl minting app and on select centralized and decentralized exchanges beginning in late 2025. The system keeps the stablecoins pegged to the US dollar while also letting holders earn passive yield. Smart contracts handle everything minting, reserves, and yield generation in a fully transparent way. Users just connect their wallets, mint stablecoins, and the yield flows automatically with no extra effort. Stbl launched under 3 cents with a $16 million market cap, then ripped over 200% to pass $50 million. Its fully diluted market cap already tops $1 billion since only 5% of supply is circulating. The project has serious backing, too. Reeve Collins brings a huge network, and Wave Digital Assets, a $300 million VC fund, is supporting it as well. Stbl went live straight onto major exchanges like MEXC, Kraken, and Binance Alpha, pulling in $250 million volume within hours. Running on BNB chain, the coin's narrative is strong with RWA exposure and a Tether co-founder behind it. Hype pushed it to a $100 million ADH before retracing to $50 million. Stbl isn't the only newcomer catching fire. Bitcoin Hyper is quickly shaping up as the next big presale play, and this one could be even bigger. There is an insufficient price history for Stbl, so price predictions should be taken with caution. The Stbl price hit its all-time high of 22 cents on September 16th and has traded inside an ascending parallel channel since. STBL reached a new all-time high of 24 cents today, but failed to break out from the channel's resistance trend line. Therefore, it is unclear if the upward movement is corrective or not.